So if you're planning to reset your Samsung TV or any TV in general, this is going to be your steps. So using your remote, go to the menu screen and go to general, and from the general scroll down to reset. From the reset, it's going to ask for the PIN number. There's a default PIN if you have not set it up when you first purchase your TV, and you will get a warning, so you're not going to accidentally reset your TV if you don't reset it after the warning. And then the TV will restart automatically after the reset is complete message. So you just have to wait a couple of minutes or lesser. Then once the reset is complete, you will get these two simple options. So you can either use your smartphone or your remote control.
Hello. Experience the extraordinary with your Samsung screen. Two simple options. How would you like
So
to get
here's your
started?
option
Choose one.
using your
To use the
smartphone,
accessibility
your
function,
your iPhone or
simply
your
press
Android
and hold
phone.
the volume button.
If you've already set up your
Hello.
Samsung
Experience
Google
the
account,
extraordinary with your Samsung
or
screen.
you can use the remote.
Two
So
simple
if you have
options.
not
How would
created
you
a
like to get
Samsung account
started?
yet, you can
Choose
create a
one.
new one.
To use
But
the
if you
accessibility
already
function,
have
simply
one,
press and
especially
hold
if you
the
have an
volume
Android
button.
phone, you would already have one. You can try using the phone. So with the remote, if you choose to use the remote, this is gonna be your steps. So you're gonna see instructions. So it says all you need is a Samsung Smart Remote. You can either auto smart do smart auto setup or retail mode. So you're gonna go click smart auto setup and you just hit OK. And it's gonna give you an option to get connected to your internet. So there's two options with connecting the internet: via wireless, or with the Samsung TV you can directly connect your Ethernet line. So you'll just have to put in your username and of course your password. And then once you're connected to your internet, then you would have to, it's going to be the second step. So you would have to agree with all the terms and conditions of Smart Hub privacy notice. So you won't be able to move forward if you don't click agree all. And then initially you will, if you have not updated your TV in a while, it's gonna update it. If this is a new TV, of course it will find an update, and then it will just give you a message if it's updated. And then now this is what I'm talking about. You can sign into your Samsung account by using the QR code or just with your remote. So in my case, since I forgot my Samsung account password, I did try using my email and password, but I did not want to change the password, so I opted for the QR code. So I just scanned it, and then you will see that message in your phone once you've scanned it correctly. And then you will just follow the prompts on your phone, and it's going to tell you that you're already signed in. So you'll just have to follow the prompts, click next. I'm just cutting off the other parts of the screen so I don't give out my information, but here's what you will see if you've set up, because this is a reset, so you can with Samsung, you can actually go back and then click on backup device, and this is actually new because I have reset this TV before and this was not on the option, so this is a better option. So if you have a Samsung account already and you can click back up, so you can back up your general information and then home screen, and once you reset it you can click both, so it would be easier for you. You don't have to put in your information again and then add and wait for your home screen like widgets and apps to download. So right now it's just restoring everything that I had already, which is convenient and it saves time. So from here you can just click got it, and then it's gonna give you these steps about finding your service provider. I don't have a cable, so this is not necessary for me, but I'm just gonna show you if you have a cable. So it's gonna ask you your service provider, and then it's gonna tell you devices are connected once you've connected. And again, you can use your smart remote to control your screen and connected devices. And then it's gonna show you the setup your service provider screen again. And then from here you can just link your current apps. So this was the apps that I had before, or then once you click on them you are definitely needing to log in because it did not save your login, of course. So I am going to end this here, so I'm gonna do another one for those steps. Thank you.